What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you a project that is aimed to stabilizing the Bitcoin market. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MakerDAO. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And to start off, guys, just like what I mentioned in the beginning of this video, MakerDAO is committed to stabilizing the Bitcoin market, and it is a two-token system that is used in the Maker protocol. First up would be the Dai token, which is DAI. It is a stable coin that is backed by collateral that provides support and the MakerDAO community. In order for any company or individual to benefit from digital money, a decentralized stable coin is necessary. And then secondly, there is MKR. It is a governance token that is used by DAI's management and system upkeep by the stakeholders. And the Maker's protocol's decision makers are the MKR token holders. So if you are an MKR token holder, you are a decision maker as to where the direction of the project will be. Now, by building an inclusive platform for economic empowerment and giving everyone equal access, it is actually enabling the power of decentralized finance for everybody in the Maker community. And guys, Rune Christensen is a Danish entrepreneur based in Zealand, and he founded MakerDAO in 2015. So it means that this project has been in there for quite some time already. It's been like 9 years. Though as an inaugural organization within the broader Maker ecosystem. So Christensen studied internationally in the Copenhagen Business School after earning a degree in biochemistry from the Copenhagen University. He managed and co-founded Try China, an international recruiting firm, before joining the MakerDAO. Now, guys, I would strongly suggest that you still do your own research, guys. This is their white paper, and like what I showed you earlier, you could actually access that by going here. Okay, scroll down, you have the white paper here, all right? You even have the documentations, you have migrate governance, you have service status, a lot of different things. And if you are even looking for job opportunities, you can go ahead and click on this as well. And of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That is one way for you to always be updated in whatever announcements, giveaways, raffles, airdrops, and all those good stuff. It will be announced definitely in all the social media platforms. So make sure to do your own research and follow all their socials, okay? So this is the white paper, guys. You could start your research here. There's a lot of different information that you could gather about the project. That way, you will know what you're getting yourself into. And this is their coin market cap, guys. As you can see, they are up 3.18%, and the current token price for Maker, or the MKR token, is 2,387.21 at the recording of the video. The total market cap for this one is at $2.2 billion. All right, so you can go ahead and check on that one. And of course, guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.